There's something electric in the air today. Perhaps you should boogie woogie 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 because it's so electric. Yes, I just referenced the electric slide for today's holiday, a day that celebrates things that almost seem to be so charged they have a mind of its own. It's January 9th, and today is National Static Electricity Day. Welcome to Taco Cast Podcast. Every day is a holiday. No, really, it is. Did you know that literally every day is a holiday? I don't know about you, but I love having a reason to celebrate every day. Whether it's your favorite foods day or something else totally random, happy holiday to you. Static electricity can be seen, felt, and heard. It can be a static shock that might take you by surprise at its slight burst of pain, or it could be what makes your hair stick out on end. Static electricity is the increased electric charge on the surface of a particular object, and those charged particles are transferred from one object to another. When two objects rub together, one object gives up electrons while the other collects electrons. As a result, one becomes more positively charged while the other becomes more negatively charged. As they say, opposites attract, and this is known as the triboelectric effect. It was Greek philosopher Thales of Miletus who was the first record of noticing this whole opposites attract thing. When cleaning a piece of amber, he found dust particles would stick to it when it was rubbed. 300 years later, Theophrastus rubbed different stones together to observe this strange power of attraction, but it would take thousands of years to fully understand what this meant. After the discovery of electricity, German scientist Otto von Guericke began researching static electricity and created the friction generator in the 17th century. We often see static electricity demonstrated in science fairs, things that will make your hair stand on end. Things that are sensitive to static discharge might be able to be treated with anti-static agents, like fabric softeners or dryer sheets when drying clothes, or in industrial settings using anti-static safety boots to prevent static buildup on the floors. Lightning is a dramatic example of static discharge. The static charge in the air is superheated and essentially produces a shockwave with a loud sound too. Thunder. You can reduce the static electricity around you by having indoor plants, walking barefoot, humidifying the air, and wearing natural fabrics to start. Happy holiday, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow.